The lion roars, the jungle king with the mighty mane, it's a royal thing. The zebra trots with stripes so neat, black and white from head to feet. The giraffe stands tall, its neck so long, reaching leaves where it belongs. The elephant stomps with a thundering sound, swinging its trunk as it walks around. The monkey swings from tree to tree, cheeky and playful as it can be. The kangaroo jumps with a pouch so tight, carrying its baby day and night. The panda munches on bamboo sticks, soft and cuddly with playful tricks. The owl says hoot in the dark of night, big round eyes shining bright. The dolphin swims, floats high in the air, graceful and smart beyond compare. The seal claps and slides on ice, playing in waters cold yet nice. The tiger prowls with stripes of orange and black, its eyes so fierce, it's ready to attack. The rabbit hops with a wiggle of its nose through the meadow where the tall grass grows. The fox is sly with a tail so red, sneaking through forests where it's often fed. The whale sings deep in the ocean blue, a gentle giant, peaceful and true. The yak climbs mountains with heavy fur, through chilly winds where it's a lure. The vulture soars in the sky so high, circling the clouds as it flies by. The X-ray fish glows in the stream, shiny and clear like a watery dream. So many animals, big and small, we've learned their names, we've learned them all. From jungle trees to oceans deep, the world of animals is ours to keep.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.